Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today in this video, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the DIGDY N10 truly wireless ANC Bluetooth earbuds. Okay? So today in this video, we're going to do two things. I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration followed by two audio sample tests. The first test is going to be a leakage test, and then the second test is going to be a sound sample demonstration to the best of my ability. Alright? But first things first, before we jump straight into that, let me get a little bit of housekeeping out of the way first. So this whole video is being recorded today with a combination of the front and the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active, and a combination of the front camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Active. Alright, this video is also being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we are using external audio here today, so all the audio is being recorded using my lapel clip-on microphone here. Okay, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. And as always, if you find this video interesting and or helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And if you would like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. And if this video really piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds for yourselves, all the links to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description, and those are affiliate links, so a small percentage of that does go back into supporting the channel and producing content at no additional cost to you guys and gals. Alright, so down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done, let's jump straight into the video here. Now let's start off with the fitting demonstration. So as y'all can see, I do have the earbuds in my ears already. Okay, so this is what they would look like if you're looking at a nice front profile. And as you can see, it's very minimalistic, but it is still kind of noticeable. But from a distance, you kind of won't be able to notice that I have earbuds in my ears. So the overall fit, in my opinion, is really good. All right. Now, I just want to let y'all know, in the interest of full disclosure, I did switch out the stock tips for some of my custom tips because I tried all the tips that came in the box and I didn't really like it. So I went ahead and bust out my custom tips, and that's how I was able to get a really good fit. Not the best fit overall because it still wiggles a little bit, but better than what the included tips were providing. So I just wanted to point that out. And now let's get into the fitting demonstration here in a little bit more detail. So y'all saw the front profile. Now let me go ahead and give y'all a side profile as well. So let's go ahead and turn to my left so y'all can check this out. Really good stuff there. Now if this is unclear, I'll have some B-roll close-ups of the overall fit thrown up in post as well. So you should get a really good overall idea of how these earbuds fit and look in my ears. So if your head structure and ear structure is similar, this should give you a really good general idea of how it's going to look before you go ahead and make your purchase. So again, we turn to the left here so y'all get a nice close-up of the right earbud. Okay, and now let's go ahead and turn to the right and give y'all a nice close-up of the left earbud there. Okay, really good stuff there. Okay, so that pretty much does it for the fitting demonstration. Now let's go ahead and get into the audio sample testing here. Now for reference, I do have the earbuds connected up to my Pixel 2 XL. Okay, I have the B-roll thrown up in post so y'all can see this better. So this is connected up to my Pixel 2 XL, and I do have the volume set to maximum. Again, I'll have the B-roll set up so y'all can see it a lot clearer because we're all about keeping it straight 100 around here. And just for reference, the microphone is less than a foot away from my mouth. And now let's go ahead and jump into the leakage testing. So let me go ahead and push play. Okay, and this is what ANC turned off. Here we go. Let me know if you can pick up any leakage coming off the earbuds. Here we go. Whoo, okay, okay. Alright, let me pause this. Alright, so let me give y'all my overall thoughts before I go ahead and give y'all an overall sound sample. Now, talking about the overall sound quality of the earbuds, I have to say DIGDIY did a really good job with these. It's very crisp, clear, and loud with little to no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum. Not only did I test this with this video clip that y'all see in the video here, or this music clip, but I've also tested it with a variety of different playlists or different genres of music. I'll link up down below the playlist that I used while I was testing these earbuds in the video description. If y'all want to check out that playlist or those playlists for yourselves, feel free to do so. But talking about the overall sound quality, it's very crisp, it's very clear, with little to no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum. Talking about the overall volume, the volume on these is really, really good. It gets more than loud enough for me to drown out my surroundings so I can fully immerse myself in whatever it is I'm trying to do. Again, with no distortion on the high ends of the volume spectrum. So there's no clipping, there's no crunchiness or static. It's actually very crisp, clear, and it does get really, really loud. Now, talking about the overall bass on these, I have to say the bass on these is just good. Okay, it's noticeable and you could tell the bass is there, but it's just a little soft in my opinion. It's lacking a little bit more punch and a little bit more grit, but it is there. So it has an okay bass, okay to good bass. It's not as good as I would want it to be, but it is noticeable and you could tell that there's some bass coming off of these. That being said, overall, how do I feel about the sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these earbuds? I have to say, it is really good in my opinion. Putting all three of those aspects together and coming up with an overall opinion, I have to say the overall sound quality and bass, in my opinion, is really, really good. Okay, not the best that I've experienced on a pair of earbuds, but really good overall. Alright, so there you go. You guys and gals now know my thoughts on the overall sound quality and so on of the earbuds. Now let's go ahead, let me rewind the track. And let me go ahead and attempt to give y'all a sound sample. Okay, so let me push play. And let me hold these up to the mic. Here we go. And we're going to do this for about 30 seconds, give y'all a nice clip. And we're going to go ahead and start that clock right now. Okay, hot 30-second clip there. Go ahead and pause the music here. And that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for this fit and sound sample test of the DIGDIY N10 ANC truly wireless earbuds. Alright, now as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. Hope you guys and gals found it helpful. Hope everyone is having a great day and staying safe out there. And I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.